After a downright chilly start, this weekend is shaping up absolutely spectacularly. Here's a look at the forecast for Halloween weekend. What a chilly start to this weekend. We saw some locations fall into the 30s out in Southwest Austin, 38 degrees, 38 in Florence, 38 degrees near Bertram. At the same time, it is so pleasant outside. We are warming up so nicely under sunny skies with light winds. So nice to have those winds finally settling down. The big wind maker is that area of low pressure you can see on the east coast. There's also a cold front to our north that's a slow mover, and it will be our next weather maker, but it doesn't move in until next week. So until then, temperatures as of lunchtime running in the low 70s, low humidity. It is beautiful with light winds in place. By later this afternoon, high temperature up to 81, Sunday up to 83 degrees, meaning Halloween will be above average in terms of temperatures, but beautiful. Here's a look at what to expect in the morning when you wake up. 47 in Mason, 51 Round Mountain, 52 in Austin, 48 in LaGrange. So still crisp, still cool, but not as cool as what we woke up to this morning. And the general trend hasn't changed much. There's going to be all treats this weekend, a tricky cold front next week, and behind it, we may see highs only in the 60s Thursday and Friday. There's even one computer model suggesting highs might only be in the 50s by the end of the week. Now, the only fly in the ointment for your weekend, both today and tomorrow, are air quality in the moderate range. Also, a wildfire up north of Abilene was bringing a bit of a plume of smoke, especially areas to the west of Austin earlier this morning, so there could still be some smoke particles in the air as well. Dew points are low, air is dry, very pleasant to be outside. Overnight lows down into the low 50s. The average is 56, so about 4 degrees cooler than average. Then a spectacular Halloween ahead. Note, much cooler in the Panhandle. That's because the cold front that I'm tracking will already be moving through the Panhandle, basically hovering along the Red River, waiting in the wings before it pushes into our area, which right now looks like Wednesday. Until then, here's your Halloween planner. 52 at 8 a.m., 75 tomorrow at lunchtime, 81 degrees by 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and trick-or-treat weather can't be beat. 6 o'clock, 78. Sunset tomorrow is at 6:44, by 8 o'clock down to 72, and pulling out the rest of the evening in the cool 60s. All right, so let's give you the lay of the land. High pressure is in control for the rest of today. It is beautiful. Now, as we look ahead toward your Sunday, cold front stalled to our north, sunshine galore. We'll start to see that southerly wind, so maybe not quite as low as far as the humidity is concerned. That slow moving cold front making its way toward the north by about Wednesday morning. Not quite to Austin, so that's why temperatures midweek on Wednesday may be upper 70s. Wouldn't even shock me if we managed some low 80s. Then the cold front finally nudges through, with it a round of showers and storms. Behind it, markedly cooler air to the tune of highs only in the 60s. Thursday as well as Friday. Now, there's still a lot of stuff to fine tune, so this is not set in stone just yet. Look for some changes potentially in that Wednesday, Thursday time frame. But for now, looking like gorgeous weather all through the rest of the weekend. Fantastic. Enjoy it. Avery Tomasca will have your latest update later on CBS Austin News. Take care.